children, today let's start with chapter number 2, Human Body, a Living Machine. हमारी human body क्या है? एक living machine है, right? So let's study about the different machine that we have. So just like a machine, it is made up of many parts and all parts work together. And what do? They perform different tasks. Similarly, human body is made up of many parts. They work together to perform tasks and all the body parts work together to perform various functions. Right? It is a wonderful and unique machine. Each part of the body is made up of very tiny parts called cells. And the cells are the building blocks. Cells kya hai? They are the building blocks of all living things. They are so small that 100 of cells can fit into a letter O. Right? Many cells of same time, they join and make tissue. And tissues of the same structures and function join to make organ. Right? There are many systems in our body which function together. And what do? They make our body health. First is nervous system. इसमें आपका brain, spinal cord और nerves are. Right? It is the master organ and control center. ये master organ है और control center है. It has a messengers called nerves to send instruction to all the body parts. The spinal cord connects all parts of the body to the brain. और जो brain है, it is protected by the skull and the spinal cord by the backbone. और ये help करता है to learn, understand, think, remember and perform. Now skeleton system, there are 206 bones in our body. Together form a framework जिसको हम skeleton कहते हैं. It gives shape and support to the body. ये delicate internal organ जैसे आपका heart, lung, brain, kidney है, इनको क्या करता है? प्रोटेक्ट करता है. और किसमें हेल्प करता है? मूवमेंट ऑफ द बॉडी पार्ट्स. राइट. देन वी हैव मस्कुलर सिस्टम. नाउ वी हैव 650 मसल्स इन आवर बॉडी व्हिच आर अटैच्ड टू दीज बोन्स एंड दे हेल्प्स अस टू मूव डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. No movement of the body will be possible in the absence of muscles. Now we have digestive system. It is very useful because it breaks the food eaten by us in simple way, which is used by the cells of the body. और जो process होता है changing food into substance that our body can use, it get energy is called digestion. There are many organs in our digestive system. While chewing जो food है, it gets mixed with saliva and the juice present in the mouth, from the mouth, enters the food pipe and then the stomach. Right? Where it is completely digested and distributed to all parts of the body through blood, and the undigested food, it goes into large intestine and leaves the body through anus or waste. Then we have respiratory system. It is called breathing system. It consists of nose, windpipe and lungs. We breathe in and out from our nose. The air passes the windpipe and where does it reach? It reaches to the pair of lungs in our chest. Exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place in the lungs, and the air rich in oxygen, it inhale in the lungs, and the air rich in carbon dioxide exhale the lungs and it comes out through the nose. Right? The blood supplies oxygen to all the body parts. This oxygen burns the food and what it gives us? Energy to do work. Next is excretory system. So it is another important system of our body because it removes waste from the body. Kidney, lungs and skin, these are the main excretory organs. If we talk about pair of kidney, what it's do? It's clean the blood to make urine which is passed out of the body. When remove carbon dioxide gas from the body, with the help of lungs, our skin removes extra water and salt from the body in the form of sweat. Now circulatory system. The system consists of heart, blood and blood vessel. There are two types, arteries जो pure blood carry करती है और veins जो impure blood carry करती है. Right? The blood supplies food and oxygen to all the parts and what it's do? It's bring back carbon dioxide as waste. Now reproductive system, it helps in producing young ones. Men and women have different organs of reproductive system. A woman gives birth to human baby. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now, let's start with exercise. Take the correct option. It is the master system of our body, nerves, nervous system. Exchange of gases takes place. कहाँ होता है आपके? Lungs में. How many bones do we have? We have 206 bones. It is the building block of life, cells. The human body is made up of, जो human body है वो किसका बना है? Tissues का. And next is fill in the blanks. A number of organs work together और वो क्या form करते हैं? एक system form करते हैं. Next is brain. The brain is the control center. The dash connects all the body parts. तो आपका जो skeleton है वो क्या करता है? सारे body parts को connect करती है. There are dash bones in our body. 206. The dash system helps in the movement of body parts. Muscular system. Now write T for true and F for false statement. First is a pair of kidney cleans the blood. It's true. Our skin removes extra water and salt from the body. It's true. We have 3 types of blood vessels. Artery, veins. Right. True. The blood supplies food and oxygen to all the body parts. It's true. We have 207 bones. False. How many? 206 more. We have 206 more. Now unscramble the jumbled word. It is brain. This is lungs. This is heart. This is your kidney. Now here you have to write the name of the system. Heart after this में आता है circulatory system. Brain. Skeleton. Skeletal system. नेक्स्ट इज जो आपका स्टमक है वो आता है आपका डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में. मसल्स. मस्कुलर सिस्टम. नेक्स्ट इज आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज आवर बॉडी मेड अप ऑफ? हमारी बॉडी किसकी बनी है? व्हाई इज आवर नर्वस सिस्टम कॉल्ड मास्टर सिस्टम? राइट. हाउ इज ब्लड यूजफुल टू अस? यू हैव टू डिस्क्राइब रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम and name the organ which helps to remove waste from the body. Right? This is all. We have completed the exercise. Hope you understood. Now, let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.